Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today I am cutting my chai tea latte soap. Put it to the side. I'm just going to push it out. Put that over to the side. Now I'm releasing the sides. Releasing all 4 sides. We're going to stand it up and pop it out. And there we have our chai tea latte. Okay, I was making a reel, y'all, but this is it. Let's give it a cut. Okay, y'all, so we finna cut. Black shows up everything, so it's cleaned off. Just bear with your girl. Over there in the corner are our little soap embeds that we made during the time. I am holding the focus button because I am afraid that it will get out of focus. So, okay, y'all, so we finna put this up here. Gotta reset that. So we're gonna cut the first piece off. Okay, I'm gonna make that like a little sample piece. Cut our first piece off. Ooh la la. I am cutting it slow because I don't want to break it or whatever. So this soap has been sitting for about 3 days. I think I want to make it a little bit bigger. About maybe 2.5. So this soap smells just like a chai tea latte, if you ever had one. And this is also my best seller. My customers love the chai tea latte soap. So of course I had to bring it back. Giving y'all a little visual. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you go follow all of my socials. I will have them linked down below. And I will also have the link to my store down below as well. Come over to StylesbyLailani.com and try out our chai tea latte soap. It is back in stock. We did sell out, which is a blessing. Yes, I love to sell out. Make sure you go follow me over on Instagram at StylesbyLailani. I am actually StylesbyLailani on all social media platforms. So please check me out, okay? And y'all, this smells so good. It makes me feel like all warm and fuzzy inside. What is that? Yeah, I love it. I love it. Okay, so now I'm about to cut my sample pieces. We have enough bars. Now we're cutting our sample pieces off. Like I said, my samples are 1-inch bars cut in half. So I am going to cut that in half. My sample pieces goes in my sample packs. Go to StylesbyLailani.com. I have my sample packs online. It comes with about 9 pieces of soap samples, different soap samples. You can request vegan if you would like vegan. Yeah. So just continue to support me, watch my videos through. Even if you're not watching my videos, let my videos watch you, okay? Let me get that watch time so that I can meet my goal. I really wanted to meet my goal before 2023, but greatness takes time. So you can't rush anything. God has the last answer, and I'm already knowing. So my time will be coming. As long as you guys do your part, I will continue to do my part and dish out content for you guys and teach you as much as I know. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and continue to support, okay? Continue to watch your girl videos. Let me know what other soap you would like to see me do. And yeah, have an awesome, fantastic holiday. And thank you again. Y'all might hear my stomach growling. So bye. Okay, so these are it. I'll give y'all a close, clear view. These are the small embeds I did as well. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the soap. How is the design? It smells just like chai tea spice, like chai spice with cinnamon and vanilla. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Comment down below, and thank you. Bye.